Number 2, divide 101010 base 2 by 110 base 2. Solution. Now, we have this is our dividend and this is our divisor. Divisor 110 and the dividend we have 1 0 1 0 1 0. Now, don't forget the numbers are in base 2. We are dividing. Normally, we have 101. This is 3 digits. The divisor is a 3-digit number. So it's going to be compared to the first 3-digit number in the dividend. 101. And we also have here 110. Now look at it. 101 and 110, which one is bigger? 110 is bigger than 101. Because 101, look at it. This is 110. So in that case, if I take away 110 from 101, I'm going to have negative. So meaning that this is bigger than this. So in that case, it means that 101 divided by 110 is 0. So we don't need to start our quotient with 0. So it means that we can now, once you realize that the divisor, when compared to the equivalent number of digits, the first set of digits, you have to increase the number of your digit. Now, since 3 digit does not work here, what do? You move to 4 digits. 1010. The first 4 digits. Divided by this, what are you going to have? That is 1. We have 1. Now, we multiply. 1 times 1. Though, the arrangement of the subtraction is going to be based on 100 tens and unit. You have 1,000, 100, tens, and unit. Take note. Now, we are considering from here to here. From the 1 to this 0. So if you are multiplying, you have to be very careful. 1 times 0, what do we have? 0. 1 times 1, what do we have? That is 1. Then 1 times 1, what do we have? That is 1. Now we take away. We subtract. Now from the back here, we have 0. 1 minus 1, we also have 0. But here, what happened? Here, what do we have? This is 0 minus 1. It means we need to borrow. We borrow from this one, then to remain 0 here. What do? When you borrow under binary, which is base 2, you are borrowing the base. Take note of that. So this is going to be what? This is going to be 2. So 2 plus this 0, that is 2. 2 minus 1, we have 1. You can see we're having 1 as a result. Now, if you try again, 110 divided by this 100, you can see this one is still less than this. So don't forget, once you are after subtraction stage, for the first stage, what do? You ensure you go to the next digit because you have used these first 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the next one, which is 1, move it down in same position, in line. Can you see? Now we have 1001 divided by this 110 is going to be 1. Now, in this case, 1 times this, based on the position from the back. 1 times 0, what do we have? 0. 1 times 1, what do we have? 1. 1 times, also 1 times 1, what do we have? We also have 1. Then we subtract. We are subtracting. Subtracting, what are we having? 1 minus 0, we have what? 1. Then subtracting here, you can see you want to take away 1 from this 0. It's not possible. 1 from this 0 is not possible direct. You can't do direct subtraction here. So you have to borrow. Borrow from this, it remains 0. Then, if you borrow, you are borrowing the base. Don't forget binary. This is 2. Then, what happened now? Here, you need to do something about this also. If you borrow here, it will remain 1. Then, since you are borrowing under binary, you have 2 here. 2 plus this 0. This is 2. So, we have 2 minus 1. What do we have? 1. We have 1 here. Can you see? 1 minus 1. What do we have? That is 0. So that one is 0 already. We don't need that. Because 1 minus 1 here, that's 0. So now, you can see we have used the first 5 digits in the dividend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have not used this 0. So you bring down the what? After subtraction, you bring down the next digit. Bringing down 0 now. Same equivalent position down. Can you see? We now have 1, 1, 0. So what do we do now? We divide with the divisor again. 110 divided by 110. What do we have? 1. You can say that one is direct. So 1 times this 110, we have 110. So subtracting, what do we have? If you subtract it, they are the same. So 110 minus 110, that will give us 0. And once the remainder is 0, then you have solved the problem. Now, this is our divisor, this is our dividend, this is our quotient. Our quotient is the answer, and the remainder is 0. Now we conclude. We now conclude that what? 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, base 2. Divided by what? 1, 1, 0, base 2. Gives what is the answer? The quotient. Which is what? 1, 1, 1, base 2. That is the solution to